Well, mga amigo, amiga, here we go again. We just touched down here at Mongkok, Hong Kong. We're at an iClub hotel. That's my mother-in-law and my wife. And ito, wow, napakaganda po ng hotel dito. Super po, ang laki. Look at this. Malamig po dito sa Hong Kong. This kind of weather is very good for a vacation. Ito, lumabas muna ako, palakad-lakad muna, and sa labas, ito, makikita niyo po dito sa labas ng hotel ng iClub po, may kainan, Peking duck. So malapit lang po lahat, very accessible. Anyway, this is part 2. Kanina, we've been in the airport, international airport. Now we're here again. Dumating po may sa hotel po namin. Ito, yan. So, mga amigo, amiga, Negros, mga Bisaya, wow, nami gidiri mga amigo, amiga, wow. That's the name of the hotel, iClub. Go inside. This is the lobby. Very spacious lobby, very big. That's the info counter of the hotel. Yan. That's where you can wait. Dumating po kami dito maaga so this is I think mag 10 in the morning, so meron pa silang free breakfast for the guests. So pwede kaming uminom ng mga kape, mga breads, muffins, yan. Ito po, may mga natira pang mga juice, fresh squeezed juice, orange juice po. Here at iClub Hotel, Mongkok. Ganda po dito. Malapit po. From here to Langham, nilalakad lang po namin. So, ang ganda. Malapit lang sa lahat. Accessible sa mga trains. And ito, makikita nyo. Yan. Ang ganda. Ang ganda po, mga amigo, amiga. While waiting for to check into the rooms, lakad-lakad muna sa labas. This cool, fine weather po, malamig. Anyway, ito po yung vacation is already first week of April. So ito po, picture muna. Modeling. Ito pa yung mga kids naglalaro. And for the next video na naman po, for the part 3. Bye.